So welcome to the Bootstrap section of the Complete Web Developer course. In this video, we'll just talk about what Bootstrap is and why you'll want to use it. So Bootstrap, as you can see at getbootstrap.com, is an HTML, CSS and JavaScript framework. So essentially, it's a collection of CSS and JavaScript files which enable you to create great looking responsive websites. Responsive meaning they look completely different depending on the size of the user's screen. That's really important for web developers at the moment because the use of mobile is increasing very rapidly, but desktop certainly isn't going away anytime soon. So feel free to go to getbootstrap.com and have a bit more of a read if you want to see more about what it does, but really the features will make a lot more sense as we work through them in this chapter. There's a huge number of websites that are built with Bootstrap, over 7 million of them in fact, and if you go to expo.getbootstrap.com, then you'll see a few of the hand-picked examples, and I'll just show you some of them really quickly. So Creative Tim, one here, really nice looking site, all done with Bootstrap. Indicius, again, great looking site, built with Bootstrap. Spotify The Drop, 2015 in review. I think that looks great. Tracked.tv, beautiful looking site. And finally, JDC Design Studio. So this is a portfolio and CV site, which you might be considering making something similar yourself. So in short, Bootstrap makes producing great looking responsive websites really easy, comes with a bunch of CSS and JavaScript components that you can use to make websites your users will love. I hope that's enough to convince you that Bootstrap's worth looking into, but it's not the only game in town. And I'll just quickly show you 8 Bootstrap alternatives. And if you Google Bootstrap alternatives, you'll get a bunch of options. There's Foundation, Zimit, Inc, HTML Kickstart. Kickstrap is actually based on Bootstrap, Pure, and HTML5 Boilerplate, and YUI. So all of those great frameworks and well worth investigating if you've got slightly different needs, but Bootstrap, in my opinion, is definitely the best one to start with. So hopefully I've whetted your appetite. In the next video, we'll see how to get started with Bootstrap.